apple, apple. I enjoy eating a juicy apple. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C. Banana, banana. I like to eat a banana as a quick snack. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is important for maintaining heart health. Orange, orange. I love the refreshing taste of oranges. Oranges are known for their high vitamin C content and are good for boosting the immune system. Strawberry, strawberry. Strawberries are my favorite fruit. Strawberries are often used in desserts and are delicious when dipped in chocolate. Mango, mango. Mangoes are sweet and tropical. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants and are a popular ingredient in smoothies and salads. Pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit with a sweet and tangy flavor. Pineapples contain an enzyme called bromelain, which aids digestion. Watermelon, watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing fruit to eat in the summertime. Watermelon is mostly made up of water and is a hydrating fruit. Grape, grape. I like to snack on grapes. Grapes come in different colors, such as green, red, and purple. Cherry, cherry. Cherries are small and delicious. Cherries are often used in baking and can be tart or sweet. Peach. Peach. I enjoy the juicy flesh of peaches. Peaches are a good source of vitamins A and C and are often eaten fresh or used in desserts. Pear. Pear. Pears have a sweet and slightly grainy texture. Pears are a good source of dietary fiber and are often enjoyed in salads or as a snack. Plum. Plum. Plums are juicy and have a slightly tart taste. Plums come in various colors, including red, purple, and yellow.